Hi everyone, welcome to IWM Buzz, and we are here at India's biggest OTT and web entertainment conclave, India's WebFest Season 6. And with me is a man who, forget about introduction, this guy's on a roll. And I think there is no stopping him in the best way possible. I'm talking about none other than Apar Shakti Khurana. Hi, welcome.
Thank you so much, Kunal. It's always a pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. And I'm a big fan of India Web Fest, I must say. And also, I think IWM Buzz, has a really cool way of promoting OTT content, and I love it.
Fabulous. And we all know you're here for extremely a special occasion, the trailer launch of Berlin, a very, very special film. And I mean, I was fortunate to see it and I absolutely loved it. And I just don't say it for the sake of it.
इन्होंने जब कैमरा बंद था तभी बोला इन्होंने
बोला
मुझे, तो
बोला
इसलिए
था।
मैं इनको बिलीव कर रहा हूँ कि इनको फिल्म पसंद आई. Thank you so much,
Exactly,
brother. So sweet of you.
No, no, absolutely. So just tell me that, with a film like this,
Yeah.
having just on the brink of, the massive success that Street 2 had,
Yeah.
you have a film that probably, puts you back on the map in the best way
Yeah.
possible as an actor.
Absolutely.
So what do you hope will be the outcome and what do you hope people take away from it?
Yeah, I think first of all, OTT platforms are majorly known for the most organic and the pure storytelling and filmmaking, and I think our film is no different. Z5 पे जल्दी आ रही है Berlin, and the way Atul Sabharwal has written it, directed it, and he has used an amazing tool of storytelling, which is sign language.
Yes.
Never before in at least in the Hindi film industry we had seen कि sign language के through film आगे बढ़ेगी.
Correct.
कमाल की राइटिंग, कमाल की डायरेक्शन, एंड उसके साथ साथ आई थिंक गाइडेड बाय हिम, आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव कि अच्छी परफॉर्मेंसेस by me, Rahul, and Ishwak.
Absolutely.
All three of us are brothers in arms, and we have really kind of put all things together in the best possible way, and we're extremely proud of what we have done.
And without giving too much away, the interrogation room scenes are absolutely fabulous. That will be there in the trailer, so I'm not especially spoiling
No,
anything
no.
for anyone out there. And we're talking about someone who's done OTT. Of course, you had an amazing show earlier. You have a film now. What is your opinion on Indian content out there right now in the web space overall?
यार सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कुणाल that we are right now doing so much on OTT that most of the artists in the city are working. वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है यार. जब एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होती है ना, शहर का जो शहर की हवा जो होती है उसमें खुशहाली होती है. I think that's the most important thing. Coming to the level of quality, I think so far we've been able to cater to some really good audience, and the audience is liking what they're watching on OTT. They love the films, they love the shows, fiction and non-fiction both, and I think moving forward we will continue to deliver यार. At least as an actor I can say मैं अपनी तरफ से जो अच्छी choices कर सकता हूँ, जो अच्छा काम कर सकता हूँ, जो अच्छी मेहनत कर सकता हूँ, वो करने की कोशिश करूँगा. एंड मैं जितने भी लोगों को आसपास मिलता हूँ जो आज की डेट में फिल्म मेकर्स बनना चाहते हैं, the new film makers and people who are writing relevant scripts, they all are full of energy to deliver. Yeah.
Absolutely, super. And it's amazing. I feel very weird that I'm on this side and Apar is on that side because he's the pioneer of it. So, so I feel very weird. But and you were very gracious to start so well. But if just one message for all the IWM Plus viewers out there.
यार मैं बस यही कहना चाहूँगा कि पहली बात तो जितनी ज़्यादा बार आ सकते हैं आप हर साल यहाँ पर आया करें, बिकॉज one of the most relevant conversations सुनने के लिए. At the same time, I think they have some really good bunch of people in the team. So thank you so much for always putting all of this together. And to viewers, thank you so much for watching. All the content, not only mine. सबका मिला के जो आपने किया है, जितना प्यार दिखाया है, from Jubilee to Street 2 to now Berlin. Thank you so much for that. And rather एक ही साल में यार ये सारी चीज़ें हो गई हैं. I really feel blessed as an artist कि जुबली भी इसी साल एक ही साल के अंदर आ गया, Street 2 भी, and my two songs also, कुड़ियनी and ज़रूर and now Berlin. So I think ये 5 चीज़ें जो इस साल आई हैं, I'm very attached to it.
A purple patch that's not ending anytime soon in the best way. Thank you so much, Apar.
Thank you so
Absolute
much, Kunal.
pleasure.
Always a pleasure meeting you. Thank you.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you so much. Please have a good day.